Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. In today's video, I will show you how to change the name of your profile on Netflix. So let's get started. You go and you open your profile on Netflix. And after that, you just need to click on your profile icon on the top right of the screen. The blue icon for me, maybe for you it's in another color. And after that, you click on Manage Profiles. After that, you just need to click on the pen of any profile that you want to edit or to modify. For example, I will click on Edit or on the pen for the profile of Ahmed. And as you can see at the top of the screen, there is your name, and here you can change your name. I don't know, for example, you can write test. And like that, you just edited your profile name, and when we will open the Netflix app again, it will show us that our profile name is test. And like that, you can change your profile name easily and change any profile name that you want on your account, of course, of Netflix. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.